Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole, and we are so excited to be launching our Oktoberfest special. Americans all over love a good Oktoberfest, but this one is not going to be surrounded by beer. No, instead we're offering our Phoenix telescoping flagpole as seen on Fox News with a large sum of money taken off. Take a look at what we're offering. So this is our black bronze anodized finish Phoenix telescoping flagpole. This is an American-made flagpole. The anodized finish means it's never going to rust, corrode, or oxidize. Of course, it comes with this beautiful 4x6 American flag, embroidered stars, Solar Max fade-resistant material, also made in the US. Of course, we've got the Xbox stitching in the corner, and we've got the quadruple stitching on the edge to reduce any fraying. This has also been rated for inclement weather, which means it honors flag etiquette, even if it's outdoors while it is raining. And it is an all-season flag. Of course, we're also including our 3-inch gold ball topper to give the flagpole finish look. And our flags are attached to our freedom rings. They're made of Lexan. They are also fade resistant. They won't crack or get brittle in the winter temperatures if you live in the colder climates. And they give the flags the ability to fly 360 degrees around the flagpole without getting caught up in the wind. We also have the ability to fly 2 flags on the Phoenix telescoping flagpole. So if you want to go ahead and fly your Gadsden flag, or you want to show your support for your favorite team, you can do that as well. They attach so easily with these stainless steel flag snaps. The double flag harness system also gives you the ability to fly the American flag at half staff. That's another option you have with our Phoenix telescoping flagpole. And of course, our security lock system, the manually operated lock on the inside of the flagpole, is never going to get shaken by the wind and come undone on its own. It is manually engaged and disengaged, but it's also super easy, so incredibly durable, which is why we do offer a lifetime warranty. But it's also extremely easy to use. So all of this is included except your second flag. That's something you want to go ahead and pick out something on your own of what you'd like to add. But our American flag, our gold ball topper, the Phoenix telescoping flagpole, the installation ground kit with the stop bolt and the red cap, and even our anti-theft security sure locking device and our lifetime warranty is all included during our Oktoberfest special. You can choose whatever size and color flagpole that you would like, and you're going to take $127 off. We're also offering free shipping. So it's a double discount, and the shipping alone is about $60 to ship this flagpole kit to your doorstep. So you're saving close to $200 by taking advantage of the Oktoberfest special. So go ahead, put it in your cart, add the discount code, and support our small family business as we celebrate Oktoberfest all across America.